YouTube channel. My name is Toby Wonder. I'm CEO and founder of Mainstream Academy. And basically, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make money in the Forex market, okay? But then, the Forex market is a very volatile market, okay? So it's designed to um, help you win the same way it's designed to help you lose. So you need to be very strategic and very careful when trading on the app. So and then it sounds very nice when you say to yourself that you want to become a very big forex guru, a very big forex trader, and all these are very possible, yeah. But there are certain guidelines that you need to equip yourself with before diving into the forex market, because the forex market can actually make you lose if you do not pay attention to certain strategies and certain patterns. Okay, so basically I'll be showing you guys how to analyze the market, because without analysis you really are diving into a dark pit, because you really don't know where you're going. So you need to be able to understand the analysis help you give you like a compass to knowing where the market is going. Sometimes the analysis might be wrong, but at least on 90% rate, if you have 70% analysis that are good, I think you are good to go, because 70% win is still doing very well at 30% loss. Okay, so basically, without wasting your time, let's get into it. So basically, I want to take you guys through the chart, and I will show you guys how to pull up your chart and how to, okay, so I'll be using Forex because I want to show you guys how to trade currency pairs. So let's say Euro USD for instance. Okay, I want to pull up the chart. Okay, launch full chart. Okay, this is Trading View. Trading View is a common app for checking out charts and understanding what the market is doing at the current moment and in the past. Okay, so basically this is a 4 hour time frame. Okay, so I'll increase this time frame from 4 hours to let's say 1 month for instance. So I'm using this particular currency as an example. So these are basically my analysis in the past, and let me delete this and then make new analysis for you guys to see. Alright, so let me take all these out of the box. Okay, so basically let me zoom out a little bit because I want you guys to see some stuff. Okay, so now if I'm zooming out again, you guys can see clearly what the market is doing in the past 1 month. Okay, so now let me try and pinpoint some key areas for you guys to see. Alright, so I believe you have a knowledge on support and resistance, which if you don't have that knowledge, you can check a video. I have a video on my blog that shows you guys what support and resistance is and how it works, and I showed you guys how you can analyze the market using that particular method. Okay, so now I want to pull out some areas for you so you can see. Okay, alright, good. So now this me basically I do not try to incorporate too much of trading technique into my trading, because I like to keep it simple. And I believe if you do one thing over and over again, over time you get very good at it. Rather than trying to do multiple things at the same time, it just gives you displaced priorities. Okay, so basically my trading pattern is basically trading support and resistance. And maybe sometimes I trade chart patterns. Okay, but most importantly, I deal with support and resistance because it really goes a long way in the market. It's a major key player in the market. So now I want you guys to check out this zone. This is from 1 month ago, and you can see that as at this is December. Okay, this is November last year. Okay, but let me see when this thing touched down. As at March this year. Okay, as at February 15 rather, this market came all the way to this position, and then it came back up. It came back to this position in December 1st, and then it came back up. It came back somewhere almost there, but didn't touch down as of March 2nd, and it came back up, and now it's back down. Okay, so obviously this shows you guys that this is a support zone, and then the market is liable to go back up from this end. Okay, this is how we look for support zones. Okay, and now this is a resistance zone, because obviously the market touched there at first, came back down, touched there the second time, this same spot, and then it's coming back down. Okay, that is a resistance zone, because it's showing that the market is not able to break beyond that point. Okay, these are basic things that you need to understand. So if you are trading this pattern for resistance, or you are trading this down, all you have to do is wait for the market to come down here. You can let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So you wait for the market to come all the way down here, and then you click, and then you do a buy order, because obviously you have a perception that the market is going back up. And if that was the case here, you would have actually made a couple of profits in this trade, depending on your lot size. So guys, it's not that easy to make money on the forex market, but then with consistent practice, you can actually get good at it, alright? But then I advise you guys not to try and incorporate too much of trading styles into your trading activities, Just look for a trading style that works perfectly well with you. Practice it over and over and over and over again, and then you can start making money. And then don't forget that if you are trading on Meta 4 Trader or Meta 5 Trader, those particular apps gives you the option to start trading with a demo account, and then you get to get the same reaction happen in the live account and the demo account, and just a little bit late. Okay, and I would advise you guys to try as much as possible to learn with a demo account before trying to advance to a live account, because there's so much of craziness that comes when it's actually not a demo account again, because you need to learn how to control your emotions as well. Okay, so this is me just showing you guys one. Now there's something I want to show you guys so that you guys can understand that this is actually a very strong support and resistance zone. Now if I change this time frame from 1 month, for instance, let me bring it down to, let's say, a week. I want you guys to understand that this support and resistance zones will still hold. Okay, so my battery is a bit low. I think I want to charge. Okay, so these support and resistance zones are still holding perfectly fine. Okay, the market is still not able to go beyond this level, and neither has the market been able to break beyond this level. Okay, so this is on a weekly time frame. Okay, now let me take this back to a daily time frame. Okay, so now this is how you know if you have a good support and resistance zone. If your support and resistance zones don't hold on all time frame, then you know something is wrong somewhere. Okay, and that is where you know that it is not a good support and resistance zone. Okay, now I want you guys to pay attention to this place. This is the level where the market is currently. Okay, but then the support zone held right here. And now let me go back so you guys can see at this point where the support zone is holding. Okay, yeah, and this is the resistance again. Let me close this. I'll soon wrap up this video. This is the resistance level. Okay, and then this is the second resistance level. So obviously the resistance level is doing perfectly fine. Okay, so basically guys, before trying to go into the forex market, do well for yourself to analyze the market very well, understand the market before diving in. All right, I'll be showing you guys a more advanced video with a more advanced strategy and a more practical activity on how to trade and make money on the forex market. So with that said, my guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are a new subscriber. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to have you on the channel.